Your credit score is influenced by 5 important factors. These key components work together to give lenders an idea of how trustworthy you are with credit. Understanding these factors will help you take control of your financial health. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. It shows if you pay your bills on time, which proves your reliability to lenders. Credit utilization is the second factor, which measures the amount of credit you use compared to your total credit limit. Keeping your credit utilization low helps maintain a good credit score. Credit age refers to how long you have had credit accounts open. Older accounts are beneficial because they show a longer track record of managing credit responsibly. Credit mix is about having different types of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, or mortgages. A healthy mix shows you can handle various kinds of credit well. New credit covers recent credit inquiries and newly opened accounts. Applying for several new accounts in a short period can temporarily lower your credit score. It is important to apply for credit only when necessary to avoid negative effects. These 5 factors together create your credit score, each playing a unique role. Knowing how payment history, credit utilization, credit age, credit mix, and new credit work will help you make smart financial decisions and build a strong credit profile. To improve your credit score, focus on paying your bills on time every month. Keep balances on credit cards low, diversify the types of credit you use, and avoid opening multiple new credit accounts at once. Consistency and smart management are key. By understanding these credit factors and how they impact your credit score, you gain the power to build a solid financial future. Keep monitoring your credit and applying responsible habits to see continuous improvement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.